it's just my channel, so I just do stuff on here. Anyways, I freaking thank y'all for even clicking on this video to come and watch this. If y'all like what you see and you guys check out my other videos, don't hesitate to freaking subscribe. Just go ahead and do it right now. Do it, because y'all are gonna love it. Like, we talk about everything on this channel. But anyways, let me tell y'all what I'm reviewing. I threw that freaking box away, but don't even worry, because I'm gonna place a picture either on this screen if I figure out how to do it, or I'm going to have it in my thumbnail. Y'all will know what I'm talking about. This is what we're gonna be reviewing today. I've seen some people talk about it on Amazon. This is from Amazon. It's the Revlon little curly thing. And I told myself as soon as I cut my hair, which I did, I just hit myself in the eye, I am going to purchase this for myself because I feel like it's gonna make my life easier. I feel like I cannot blow my hair out for shit, like with one of those brushes and the freaking blow dry. It just doesn't happen for me. I feel like I'm not supposed to be doing it, okay? Like, I'm just not coordinated enough for that. So this, I've used it twice before, and I freaking loved it. I've used it on dry hair and wet hair. No, this isn't sponsored. I'm a small YouTuber, like, ain't shit sponsored over here. But I will say that this is probably one of the best things that I've purchased for my hair. Let me tell y'all, I'm out of the shower. I have It's a 10 in my hair. I did eat after the shower though, so it's not like straight out. Well, it is, it's still hella wet. Anyways, I have It's a 10, and I'm about to add a spray of the Kenra. So let me just, okay, that's all I do. I don't do too much. So this is what my hair looks like before, and I'm gonna show you guys after. Okay, y'all are gonna love this. I highly freaking recommend. I don't even remember how much it is, like $59, I don't know. But I did buy my mom one of these, let me tell you. So my mom has shorter hair than me. This is too big for her. This is 8 inches around. So if you have shorter hair, like if it's up to this right here, I would like try to get a 6-inch one or even like a 4, so that you can get that curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up while I'm doing it. Y'all can see what my hair looks like after.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Alright, you guys. So this is the finished little thing, and there's like a little swoop. There's like little curls. I know this is like not the best background. Let me see if I can turn this up. Okay, there you go. You see how it has like a little flare to it? This is definitely my favorite thing. I don't have to use a straightener. And what I'll typically do before I even blow dry my hair is I'll put like a root lifter thing in there, but I didn't do that because I know a lot of people don't do that. So I wanted you guys to see what it would look like without that. But I don't have any hairspray or anything, but look how, oh, like, look at this. Yes, I love it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this, I would highly suggest purchasing it. I will include a link below for the one that I purchased. But if you guys have shorter hair, purchase a different one in a different size. But I'll include the link for y'all. And if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all like my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I thank you guys for even making it through this video, right? Because how fun is it to watch somebody do their hair? Not that fun. But I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you guys later in my other videos.